Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Alright, so to all you my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my edikankong soup. Edikankong soup is water leaf and pumpkin leaf. Today I'm going to be carrying you along on how I make this soup. So guys, keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Alright, let's get started. So guys, the ingredients you'll be needing for your edikankong soup, I have here my red sniper fish and my stock fish. I have my pepper, I have my crayfish, I have my onion, my seasoning cube, and my sauce. I have my beef and my cow skin. I have here my ugu leaf, you can see. And I have my water leaf here. And my red oil for cooking. So guys, let's start cooking. If at this point you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Like my video, comment, share to your family, share to your friends. Alright guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to start by adding in my meat in the pot. I'm adding my stockfish. I've washed it in hot water. Add my pepper. It's going with the pepper you can take, alright? Adding my onion. Some people don't like using onion to cook their vegetable soup, but I like it with vegetables. Add my onion. I'll add my and I'll cover now. Let's cook while we prepare our vegetables. So guys, we start by washing our water leaf. I've already picked it from the stem. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to be rinsing it 3 times to remove the sand. Don't want to be eating this delicacy and eating sand. No, that's not what we want in our soup. We want to enjoy this soup to the maximum. Okay? This is the third wash. We're just going to rinse it for the last time and allow the water to drain the first slice. Okay? So guys, we wash our ugu leaf now. Okay? Remember, you just have to wash your leaf very. So guys, it's time to slice our ugu leaf. This is slicing our ugu leaf. So guys, this is my ugu leaf after slicing it. This is what it's looking like when you feel like my water leak. Alright. So guys, let's check on our meat. As you can see, the meat is boiling. I'm going to add my fish. This is my red snapper fish. I soak this fish in hot water, allow it to get softer. If not, you will not remove the bone because this fish has so many bones inside. So I'm going with my crayfish, but not everything. I'll add this one later. Okay? Have you subscribed to my channel? Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Oh yeah, subscribe, okay? Like, it's free. I'll cover this pot now and then so guys, I'll add my palm oil. You can see there is no more water here. I was going with and I'm adding my water. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I'll cover and then have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked this video? Okay, I am. Click on the subscribe button. We like this video, guys. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, okay? So our soup is almost ready. So guys, let's check out. Do you believe me that I'm only soul? Going to set this now. I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Adding the remaining crayfish. I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? There. Adding my something leaf. Cover it for a minute, okay guys? Our soup is ready. So guys, our soup is ready. Our edikankong soup is ready. Vegetables edikankong. Anyone you call it, they there for you. Okay? Thank you so much guys for watching and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs down, subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? Until I come your way next time. Bye bye.